awesome would it be if you could wake up in the morning and not have to rush to a 9-to-5 job where your boss will tell you what you have to do? This is one of the main reasons I started looking for ways to make money online, and in this tutorial, I will show you how you can use Google, a search engine, to get you paid online and allow you to work wherever you want to. Just before I show you all of that, be sure to tap the like button down below, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more content to teach you how to make money online. Okay, so let's get on with this strategy, guys. The very first thing you will have to do before we get to Google and I show you how you can make money using it, you will need to sign up to PayPal so that you can actually get paid. To do so, just go over to paypal.com, click on this button here, and then proceed to enter in all of your details to create your new account. In case PayPal isn't available in your country or you just don't like it, you can go over on Google and search for online banking in my country and create an account on an online banking website available in your country. With that out of the way, before you guys try and figure things out by yourself, I urge you to keep watching this video because I will explain everything, including how to sign up for free, and I will also give you bonus tips to make even more money. As such, you really want to stay until the very end of this tutorial so you don't get confused, and if you want to make this work, if you want to set this up properly, then keep watching. With all of that said and done, as I said prior, we will be using Google to get paid. More specifically, it's a Google platform called Skillshop. Your very first step, guys, will be to go over to skillshop.withgoogle.com, or alternatively, you can just type in Skillshop on Google and open up this page right here. Anyhow, what is Skillshop anyway, and how does it fit into this strategy? Well, Skillshop is a platform where you can find various courses that will teach you a variety of skills. As is said right over here, develop skills you can apply right away with e-learning courses designed by Google product experts. Learn at your own pace and get Google Product Certified. So, as you have just heard, you also get a certificate when you finish any one of those courses. And having that certificate is extremely important because it will allow you to apply for jobs that pay a lot of money online. And the craziest part is that you get all of that for absolutely free. No investment needed. Which courses in particular will grant you a certificate, you can see by hovering your mouse over Get Certified here. You have Google Ads courses, Google Marketing courses, Analytics courses, and finally, Waze Ads courses. With all of that being said, what do you need to do when you come onto this website? Well, you will want to watch one of the courses that provide certificates. The ones I would highly recommend are the Google Ads courses, and yes, I know what you will be thinking. You don't want to invest hours of your time watching these courses. But hear me out. Once you watch a course and get certified, that's a few hours of your time invested, yes, but that time you've just invested will now allow you to apply for jobs online that will literally pay thousands of dollars. Not just because of that certificate, but because you will gain valuable knowledge and you will know exactly what you need to do. And as a bonus, guys, I will show you exactly what platforms you can use in order to get paid. For now, though, what you'll need to do is hover your mouse over Get Certified here, and you'll want to select Google Ads courses because, as I said before, they pay by far the most. Anyhow, once you do that, you will now be taken over to this page here where you will see all of these courses that you can watch. Some are longer, some are shorter. This one will take 2.5 hours, for example. This one will take nearly 4 hours. This one will take nearly 5 hours to complete, and so on. As I said before, that is quite a bit of time invested indeed, but that 4 hours it could take you to watch any one of these courses will grant you a certificate that you will have for life, with which you will be able to get high-paying jobs online and work whenever you want to, and for however much you want to as well. Once you guys watch some of these courses and you get certified, you will now be able to get paid. But where can you actually find work? Well, I got you covered. The first site I highly recommend is this one right here called peopleperhour.com. What this website is, for those oblivious, is a freelancing platform. And unlike Fiverr, arguably the most famous freelancing platform of them all. It does not have nearly as much competition, making it a great alternative. You can come on here and, for example, if you want a voiceover, you can find a bunch of people offering to do voiceovers for you. If you want something translated, you can find translators on here, and so on. Obviously, we are not going to be paying anyone on this website because we're here to make money. As such, you guys will want to become freelancers on this platform offering your Google Ads services for money. Speaking of, how much money can you earn as a Google Ads expert? Well, take a look at this, guys. This person is offering to pay $140 for a Google Ads expert alone. That's just a single potential customer, by the way, so keep that in mind. This person here is willing to pay $150 for a Google Ads manager. This person here will pay $140 as well. So as you can see, guys, people are willing to pay big money for Google Ads experts, just as I promised. Those 3 people I've just shown you can in total make you $450 alone. And these are just 3 customers from this one website. Thanks to the second site I will show you, you will be able to make even more money online. Anyway, what you will need to do on People Per Hour is create an absolutely free account by clicking on the sign up button right here. And what you will want to do from there is create a gig like some of these people have and wait for your customer. Or alternatively, you can click on search here and select search projects and then type in Google Ads. In this fashion, you will be able to search for potential customers yourselves without waiting around doing nothing. The second platform I would highly recommend you check out is freelancer.com. Just like People Per Hour, this site is not as competitive as Fiverr, but it still gets a very decent number of visits per month. And just like People Per Hour, it allows you to browse jobs, as you can see here, meaning that you don't just create a gig and then sit around doing nothing. You can actively search for people who will pay a lot of money for Google Ads experts. As was the case with People Per Hour, you will first need to sign up to this website. To do that, just click on Sign Up right over here and then enter in all of your data. With that done, just click on Browse Jobs here, type in Google Ads or something like that, and then hit Enter. And you will be able to find literally hundreds of people, all of whom are willing to pay a lot of money for a Google Ads expert. And thanks to that certificate you will receive on Skillshop, as well as the knowledge you will gain from that site, you will be able to get paid. With all of that said, the last thing worth noting is that the 2 platforms I've just shown you, People Per Hour and Freelancer, are far from the only freelancing platforms out there. You can look for other freelancing sites and sign up to them as well, not just the 2 I've shown you. For those of you who want to make even more money, then be sure to check out one of the 2 videos visible on the screen right now. And with that said, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, then be sure to leave a thumbs up below. I really appreciate it. And so you don't miss out on future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.